That's a similar situation to some other countries in Europe, and they have what's known as a pause period, and that allows a woman to fully understand the implications of what she's doing. One of the problems with the current situation and the absence of legislation is that when women go to the UK, they're committed. They've saved the money, they've organised care for the kids, they maybe can't have their partner or their husband with them because he has to work or look after the children at home. They've spent the money, they've booked the airfare, they've booked the hotel and so on. So it's very hard to turn back once you've made a commitment. The 72-hour pause period allows the woman to see her GP, or whoever it is, discuss the whole implications of what she's deciding to do, and then to go away and think about it. And is this really what she wants to do? And then if she decides, yes, this is absolutely right, and most times it will be. Women can't be trusted to make the decision that suits them in their own circumstances, and we need to kind of treat them as adults. However, she'll come back 72 hours later and she'll take the first tablets with the GP surgery. She'll then go home and take the other tablets about 3 days later, 2 or 3 days later, and have what is essentially a miscarriage in the privacy of her own home. And if she has problems, she knows she's safe and she trusts the doctor, that she can contact the doctor and say, look, I'm worried about what's happening, come in and see me, and then if there's a problem, they will refer them on to the local hospital.